Prophet Ķill. Please, I'm here to tell you guys the whole truth concerning this case of killing 4 children that involved my husband. The truth concerning this case is that the father of those children, Ķill is a member of our church and also the third elder in our church. The truth in my husband's church is that ọ bụ nwunye Igbo mụta nwa nwoke oro tumos na child agụ ma ọ mụta nwa nwanyị na child adara. So it happened that ọ bịakwute ọga m kọwacha ya the thing. So ọga m si atọ n'onwe enyi Chukwu omume ka eburu ekpere sore so e bịara ụka every Sunday ka ejiri ekpere sore. So ka e join our church, so anyị chara na akụka n'udo na onwe nsogbu ọbụla. So it happened that na nwunye ya adịrị ime mụta nwa nwoke gụọ Chinedum, and that Chinedum bụ aha ọga m, is my husband name. So anyị chara na live happily. So nwunye ya dụkwara ime ọzọ gụkwa ya aha nwa ọga m bụ Wisdom. The family of Ķill is our family friend. We are all living happily. So it's happened as low May 16th. So and that day Ogamu Jericho. Jericho kind of way family problem. Jericho that very day, being on 15th May. Koya tazi court around 10. Bunya Jerry Mechanic Village in Suka. Ojaro car cassette. So I rode that place. Also, nothing I wrote the things, maybe now exchanging. And you go car cassette 95,000. And when you reach a car cassette, when you put on your door. And time I jayata that place, around, let me say 4, 5. Yeah, time I jayata from Mechanic Village. So I yata Ogamo ban office and no one with provision store in front of our church. Someone by my own shop. Support I shall do my own business. Yano way but one office do made man attend. So around 5 or 6. He also have a Ķill Ezema 18 bata. So the woman everybody was surprised and wondering so how meaning words. So I lay on a office organ rush after house and no one for my shop. So I lay how come? So also Nuchino so we can share Rosa Miano. So ụfọdụ sore because I can't see such thing. So Augustia the man Highlanders gede ka ya bịa gbomu ya no me madam our area is a very busy place. So and that Ķill will be the threatening for a very long time. When will be the threatening from black ass because the Ķill has been a court before. And that chose quit from the group and the group ekwenye the group ekwenye ke offer the group when I be able to be a threat in life ya which of doctor exam so gam bia biko nendo gunde ya nendo course be na threat in life ya then I be every night only one settled time of program around 2 nkimeyas Okporo Oluchi Pozogam. Oluchi bụ onye ozu nọ na our church. So okporo gam around that to say and ya ndị oshi abịakwa. Ogama man we all don't know what to do. Yeah, everybody na bịa kere bell because our church we have bell. I bịa kere mgbịrịgba ya bịa scare those people away. Ụfọdụ Iko na agba shock not animation and agba shock outside because the compound Ķill no close to our church. So and that rest no the way be object no gam sia ya biko ka bịa run a church after ka ọkwa chanya the whole details na threat life. Oga say good mbe church ka meme good police make entry. Mom video the person make entry ke ebe chere nche every night. The next thing the man could name we go. Yeah, Jack on the police every night ke ebe chere nche. Ogam say ato na man anything nche and any other thing ka amem. Na agwama hi nwere ike ime ihe nwere ike secure your life. So gam to biko go nwere ike inye permission ka abịara na church every night n'ụtụtụ ka elare. So Ogam sound no so bad. No only be na church, no need the comfortable with that, na enwe problem. Give be na church as na to nulare or do jere business. So ya ka ishi eje o. But there's that of 15th, that on 16th, 30 happen. I wonder so how come me threatening them with be marrying as an election? How come and our area is a very busy place? How come I be bushumen no those as a fence sign? So and that fence that place where you save those children is not our property. It's not as yard here, and as yard here a fence sign not the way. So it sounds as though a miracle current security and the police when they surround that night. So how come she boom tackle no more hotel, and that day was Market's Day. And no matter not Market's Day, that our area is a very juicy area. Anytime in a gambling in a mother gather place. So I was there the following day be on 17th. And Ogamo Ayakpo police, the local government, the news spread everywhere. The Igbo High Sentence, the Igbo leader, the local government chairman, Bugo Ferdinand. So highly surrounded the police, also the police now came searching of the empire. It's okay. I'm not searching so bad. Ebe has made searching, time shop, time church, time yard, time na park, man storage, everywhere. The house, the as a fence, the searching, me on anything happen. That's no mean I legend station. Hygiene station. You know, I home the undermine and alasha. So the chino so exam. Before Nedman below like she also made a comment, made a statement, a record. Tenke record on the phone. Saying that Prophet is innocent, that he knows who killed his 4 children, that Prophet is innocent, that who killed his 4 children is Chukuma Eze. And Chukuma Eze Hona lament onye na amutere issue mgbe na azina na church mgbe obi azina na church because we wonder agbasa because ana agbasa church n'oge we wonder ya agbasa n'oge the Chukuma Eze bịara church so ọ agbasa n'oge ya na we side ka azina na church the following day ka alara ebe a ka na nwunye na Chukuma Eze nọ enwete problem na asashi n'ebe a ba chọrọ ịza ebe a ba chọrọ ịza ya asashi emechere complain chere ọga you him as a prophet, nothing only able to make peace. That so these systems are happening here, and the father of those children born when a cousin of the Chukuma is a big boromia that prophet is innocent, that is innocence, that he knows who kills his 4 children. Immediately on the queer Igbo High Sentence. Ne Ugo Ferdinand nendo tue nendo tosoku drew the man one side. See why is asking the prophet is innocent. Go soon not the innocent. Have no promise the money, the man money. Have people make a promise say heaven and earth. So and when I say why is asking the prophet is innocent. That the barrister of my barrister of Gambo Barrister Bowa was there and life and direct. So the immediately my husband the barrister when I see the man why would you ask the professional is innocent. So the barrister rush out so be able to come say na chukwa set up set up and some doctor say number ogam so her rush so So ha rushizie the barrister si gọvanọ na agwọ ga nwa oji agwa na ga bido tigbechiri gị ma the barrister bịa abanye na moto ewuwa ya ka eshi je heshi from divisional police Ibawa to area command divisional police Ibawa to area command, from area command to side Enugu immediately. And before they transfer to side Enugu, they search everywhere. They search everywhere, front and back. Our case now will capture parents of those Onya Neke and Onya Takri. There is one man, one of our members, Okbe Everestus. He'll be through our Highland and the place.